use a lot of sheet goods, nothing wrong with tapping up the manager in your local hardware store and asking for a deal. Makes a massive difference. Nice big margin for the CNC machine for obvious reasons. Usually with this size of board, the comma clamps with the white 15mm PVC dog hole is fine. Don't really need any more than that. Wait for the little tap of approval. Did shop around for the epoxy, but all of it is coming in around about the same price. So from company to company, I have used GlassCast before, so I went with it again. Does give a very good finish, so I would recommend it. If you are going to surface using a surfacing bit, massive tip, leave it for 2 to 3 days at least, because I learnt the hard way. Lost count of the epoxy pours, but 2 months of work, rework, redesign, usually on the fly, all in a few minutes. Enjoy it! Those with the eagle eyes, the green is just about to go, and yes, we have metallic fuchsia pink. And in the right hand corner we have the competitor, Master J. Brass, pricey, eBay, not. 1.5 kilos for 20 quid, bargain bucket. This has been cut at water speed, but believe you and me, if you don't slow your machine down, you'll have broken bits flying at you like bullets. 220 grit gave me a brilliant brush look, damn sight cheaper than buying as well. Turned out not to be the final coat. I burnt the hell out of this one with the blowtorch. Looked like alligator skin, so of course had to redo. MDF sealer works just as well and goes a lot further for your money, and dries in 30 minutes, so no point in waiting for epoxy. For me, it turns out that the scale ratio for the epoxy mix was spot on, and it turns out you save on hardener. Bonus! Went through a serious amount of cups for the epoxy. Who would have thought kids' potty cups were the way to go? You'll hear me mention eBay a few times, but for custom jobs with a lot of different materials, there is not a better place. Gems to be found. Used to be called Evo Stick in my day, but with this stuff there is only one attempt, that is. Once it's down, it ain't moving. The reason for the white ring will become clearer.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
An artist always signs his work. In my case, it's just Dad. Little bit of home, now at university. Thanks for watching. Usually ask, like it, share it, comment on it, and hit that subscribe button. The video on the right is the other half. Give it a whirl. Thanks again for watching.